following counties: Atascosa, Bandera, Bexar, Comau, Guadalupe, Kendall, Medina, and Wilson. What? Heavy mixed precipitation possible hill country, I-35 corridor, and coastal plains. Total snow and sleet accumulations up to 2 inches and ice accumulations around 1/10 of an inch possible. Winds could gust as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? A portion of south central Texas. When? From Monday evening through Tuesday afternoon. Impacts, roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will likely become slick and hazardous. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Tuesday morning and evening commutes. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Please stay indoors until conditions improve. If you must go outside, dress in layers. Several layers of clothes will keep you warmer than a single heavy coat. Cover exposed skin to reduce your risk of frostbite or hypothermia. Gloves, a scarf, and a hat will keep you from losing your body heat. Consider delaying all travel. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution. Consider taking a winter storm kit along with you, including such items as tire chains, booster cables, flashlight, shovel, blankets, and extra clothing. Also take water, a first aid kit, and anything else that would help you survive in case you become stranded. Your